Hi everybody, this is Becky Martinez and I am working on number 11 of our assignment in the book, page 142 on the brief exercises. So the assignment is from the ledger balances below, prepare trial balance for Peat Company, June 30th, 2017. At the top I've included all of the information that was given to us on the assignment and put it in alphabetical order. That's easier for me. It states that all account balances are normal. I'm not really sure what that means, but we're going to go with it. I will be perfectly honest with you. I'm still not 100% savvy on this, and I don't understand it as well as I'd like to. So while I can tell you where to put things, I don't understand exactly why. Hopefully when we talk to the professor this evening, we'll be able to get more information as to why things go where they go. I understand it a little bit. Accounts receivable, cash, etc. I understand that being on the debit side. Other things I don't understand entirely. I understand the liability asset thing to a degree. So please know that I'm not the official know all be all on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and just go through this. We're going to go up to the top and we have cash. We have cash of $5,400 and that is an asset, so that's going to go in our debit column. Again, I don't understand completely why. We can ask the professor. Accounts receivable also, accounts receivable is $3,000, and that goes into our debit as well. Equipment is another asset, and that's $13,000, and that goes there. Accounts payable is a liability, and so that comes over here. That's my understanding, at least. And accounts payable is $1,000. Our common stock is considered also a liability or credit in this regard for a trial balance. That's $18,000. That one I don't completely understand, and hopefully I can get more clarification the more studying I do, and also in the webinar that we have this evening. Dividends is on the debit side, and again, I don't understand why, because that's outgoing cash, and so hopefully we can get some clarification. I don't see that as an asset. Service revenue is what I would think would be an asset, but it comes over here on the credit side, and I don't know why, so bear with me. Salaries and wages expense is a debit, and rent expense is also a debit. Again, I don't understand. And so I'm just going to tell you this is the answers. And I'm also looking for clarification and have more studying that I need to do. So we're going to go ahead and tally debit and credit. Ideally, and ultimately, I guess we need to have both of these match. And let's see, I'm going to auto sum that one. And oh, that didn't work. Hold on just 1 second. For heaven's sakes. We're going to auto sum that one. There. And we're going to do the same here. And they match. 27,600. If you have any questions, ask them tonight at our webinar. Thanks, guys.